Good morning everyone. Today I am here to represent a presentation on difference between rural and urban areas. As we already know that the difference between rural and the urban areas. Rural where the villagers people live and urban where we live. So first topic, that is population density. So as we already know, the population in the rural areas is less than the population in the urban areas because of the facilities that rural area does not provide the high education facilities, but in urban areas we can find that there is a huge facility of educations and travelings and etc. so on are there. Occupation, as we already know about, the rural peoples are better at farming, and where in urban the people are better at doing the jobs, private jobs, government jobs, where in rural area it is not found. Occupation means like in rural area there is another than farming, like cattle farming, poultry farming, and so on. Infrastructure, as we compare the roads, let's take an example of comparing the infrastructure of rural and urban areas by taking the example of the roads. As we can see, the roads are not well finished in the rural areas, whereas it compared to the urban areas. The bridges are there in the urban areas that helps the transportation and make it easy, where it is not possible. Not possible, we cannot say that not possible, but it is as we know that the rural areas the people live with a joint family where all the members are connected to each other. In the urban area there is a division of family. We can say that not everyone expect of family, father, mother and son or daughter, they live together, and the separation of their family and the distribution outlet. As we can see that the production in the rural area as compared to the urban area is less, because in rural areas there is a production of the cattle farming extra, but as we compare to urban area, there is factories, they manufacture the products, they uses highways to transfer it. Thank you.